day friends, welcome back to Smart Guides. In today's video, we are going to be looking at this problem and we are going to solve it using what? Cramer's rule. Here's what we need to do. In order to use Cramer's rule, we need to solve for three variables. The first variable is D, which is the determinant of the matrix. We have the X, which is for the X value, and what? dy. So when we have this, in order to find the value of X, we can just say dx over d. As you can see, it's kind of, you think of it as the d cancel d, giving you x. And also in order to solve for y, we have what? dy over what? D, right? So what we need to do here is we convert this equation, right, into the matrix form. In order to find d, here's what we need to do. D equals to this like determinant, right? So we take the coefficients, right? Coefficient of each of them, forgetting about this value at this side. So we have 2, 6, 1, and 8. So in order to solve for this determinant, we can say this equals to what? 2 times 8, right? That gives us 16. Then minus, so put the minus, 1 times 6, that gives us 6, which equals to what? 10. So we go for dx. Dx is equal to this. All we just need to do for x is that the x variable, which is this part of the problem, right? We have to replace it with this value, meaning that we replace the x part with minus 1, 2, and the other parts, 6 and 8, will still be the same. So we end up having minus 1 times 8, that gives us minus 8, minus 2 times 6 is 12, right? So that gives us what? Minus 20. For the dy, you need to understand this now. We leave it the way it is, like the determinants. We write the 2, 1. For the x variable, because we know this is the x part and this is the y part. So now the y part, all we need to do is we replace it with the value at the this side, the value at the equal to sign, which is minus 1. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. Minus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So we have negative 1. That ends up giving us 4 plus 1 equals what? 5. So in order to find the value of x equal to what? Dx over d. What is the x? The x is what? Negative 20 divided by 10, which is d, equals to what? You guess it, minus 2, right? So y equals to what? dy over y over d equals to what? 5 over 10. That equals to 1 over 2. So the value for x is what? Negative 2, and the value for y is what? 1 over 2. Our concept is clear. Goodbye.